Doors Limited is a family-owned and operated company that has been providing overhead garage doors and gate services for both residential and commercial customers since 1997. We pride ourselves on the quality of our workmanship, as well as the products we offer. Our team is dedicated to providing 100% customer satisfaction, and we stand by the work we do. If you have any questions or problems with your garage door or gate, please do not hesitate to call us, we're here to help. With our customer service and high-quality products, you can rest assured that if ever need assistance with your garage door, then call the professionals. We also make it easy for homeowners like yourself to do their own repairs. We offer both residential and commercial projects, so no matter what your needs are, we can handle them. Our technicians will be happy to help you out with anything from a simple repair all the way up to installation. For more information, contact us today.